Gujarat has entered a heightened state of preparedness as tensions along the India Pakistan border escalate. In a significant move, the state government has imposed a precautionary blackout in villages of the Santalpur Taluka in Patan district, which lies close to the border. Chief Minister's office has issued a public advisory urging citizens to stay away from rumors and follow instructions issued by the administration from time to time. But that's not all. In anticipation of a possible emergency situation, the Gujarat government has activated a statewide health and medical readiness plan. On Friday, it directed all blood banks across the state to conduct voluntary blood donation camps. They aim to collect and store blood to the maximum possible capacity. A circular issued by Dr. Kartik Shah, director of the Gujarat State Council for Blood Transfusion, urged all registered blood centers to organize donation drives without delay. The circular cited the current emergency situation, warning that there could be a serious need for blood, not just in Gujarat, but at the national level. The circular included an annexure listing all 195 registered blood centers in the state, along with each center's current stock and total storage capacity. According to the data, Gujarat's total storage capacity stands at 2,37,143 units, but as of now, only 85,195 units are in stock. This includes packed cell volume, fresh frozen plasma, platelets, precipitate, and whole blood. The circular notes that these directions come after discussions held on May 8 and 9. It also mentions that blood donation camp conducted on Thursday collected 2,763 units against a target of 6,601 units, well below what's needed. That's not the only step the state has taken. The Gujarat Commissionerate of Health, Medical Services, Medical Education and Research has issued another emergency order. This one involves the deployment of 154 Class 2 medical officers from central and south Gujarat to the state's six border districts: Jamnagar, Porbandar, Devbhoomi Dwarka, Naskantha, Patan, and Kutch. The officers have been pulled from districts including Dahod, Panchmahal, Narmada, Bharuch, Surat, Navsari, Valsad, Tapi, Gandhinagar, Mehsana, Sabarkantha, Kheda, and Ahmedabad. The government says this redeployment is necessary to ensure uninterrupted health services in these vulnerable regions given the evolving situation. As Gujarat braces for the possibility of further escalation, the state has moved swiftly to bolster its preparedness on multiple fronts, from power blackouts and medical deployments to blood bank mobilization. The message from the administration is clear: be ready, be alert, and don't fall for misinformation.